I don't deal with gold diggers. I don't. Yo, what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Solo Ken. I'm back with another video, man. Today we're going outside, we're finding our gold diggers. Today we're doing it different. We're going a banger. It's not a smash up, it's not a pop the ball, it's not a find your match. It's a gold digger pranks. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, man. Let's get this video to 500 likes. We out. Hi. Hello. Hello. What's your name? Hi. What's your name? I'm trying to talk to you. It's cool. It's cool. She doesn't want to, boy. She doesn't want to, boy. I'm trying to see what she's gonna do. Huh? Dinta. Huh? Yeah, you pull it out.
No, like next time I'll read. Then nigga, my phone.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
I'm not from. So, what's that? What do you tell? Because I'm trying to holler at you and then what's it?
No, like nigga, my phone.
Maybe you need a break from your phone. You know?
Then I won't put the only phone. I won't put the tablet.
My like go to the now something and I'm going to them. So like, I mean, that's why it's cheating.
So what's it?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's a music and then you saw me. Pila. You can beg for me or for me.
I come back.
Simple. So what if I tell you to me outside?
Well, like, it's good for the music, yeah.
What if it's not mine? How would So Pia, like you give me like I'll not have because next time I really want to start cooking because I'm
But give me that shit's like another thing.
why over after you see me going back to my car? You are not no less jiggy fast. I'm not I saw you. You went with water mail. Then when you got there, I came back to the car and then you came there.
But you really because we have to come here and then come. What's our like 32? But we see the
That's cool. Can we say what you mean? So, can I get your numbers? Can I get you?
Yeah.
I don't deal with gold diggers. Man, that bitch is a gold digger, bro. She's a gold digger, bro. You feel me? So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, man. We out, bro.